The growth of any fire is relentless. Analyzing its behavior has become a complex science. Flames will only burn when a fuel has been vaporized. Look how this sofa burns. The intense radiant heat breaks down or pyrolyzes the cushions into a gas which ignites. The heat from the growing flames boils more of the fuel into a gas. With more fuel to burn, the flame grows and produces more heat until everything is consumed in a flashover. The television set is not directly touched by the fire, but it bursts into flame. This is a flashover. When the fire reaches the wall, the upper part of the flame heats the unburned areas. Huge amounts of smoke are produced, and with nowhere to go, it begins to fill the room. After only 33 seconds, everything has burst spontaneously into flames. Visibility has disappeared, and the chance of escape is virtually nil. Shortly after joining the fire service as a young recruit, Michael Clements experienced the ferocity of a flashover.
We forced entry, got into the structure, did a primary search like we normally do on the first floor. I found the door, called for the backup guy to come with me. And as I went up the steps, I was starting to experience some severe heat. And of course, at that point, it was hot enough that it started to bring me down to my knees. And pretty soon I was down on the floor. And at that point, the top of my head was starting to heat up. I wanted to rub it because it was really hot. And at that point, I began to open the nozzle. At the same time, the room flashed. And when the flashover occurred, my helmet left my head. And at that point, I had no protection for my ears or my head. And that's where I received most of my burns.
Flashovers are common. From it, the fire can launch itself into fresh, uncharted territory.